Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by shutting down power and confirming 0 volts at the unit. This prevents shock and compressor damage. Once done, recover refrigerant to meet legal and safety requirements, because leaving charge in the system risks injury and contamination. Make sure to have your tools ready: manifold gauges, vacuum pump, proper replacement oil, and the new compressor of the correct model. Begin by labeling and photographing wiring and refrigerant lines so you know reassembly. Then unbraze or unbolt the existing compressor carefully to avoid system debris. You now remove electrical connections and mark each terminal to ensure accurate reconnection. This avoids miswiring. Next, isolate and open suction and discharge lines. When brazing or unbolting, keep the system clean and cap open lines immediately to stop moisture entry. Once the old unit is out, position the new compressor, add the manufacturer-specified oil volume, and tighten mounting bolts to torque specs to prevent vibration. Make sure line flares or brazes are leak-free. Then reconnect electricals using the photos you took as a guide. You should evacuate the system with a vacuum pumped down to at least 500 microns to remove moisture and non-condensables. This step ensures reliability. Once stable, charge the refrigerant per the system nameplate or manufacturer instructions while watching pressures and measuring superheat and subcooling to validate charge accuracy. After charging, run the unit and monitor electrical draw, pressures, and temperature split. If you hear unusual noise or see high discharge temps, stop and recheck oil level and valve positions. One troubleshooting tip: if the compressor won't start, verify correct line voltage, capacitor health, and rotor lock before replacing components.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.